Hi, welcome in this video on Google Sheets and the latest updates in quarter 3. The first thing that I want to quickly demonstrate is the new availabilities to edit your text and number formatting in your charts. So you can actually directly click on almost any chart text element, update it from the content style, or the same for numbers and the bars that you see on the graph in this sheet, for example. So let's quickly cover some of the functionalities. For example, let's say that I want to change my series here all below. So if I open up the editor, the style guide on the right will guide me through. If I want, for example, to change my legend here all below, just clicking on the legend, I have some more availabilities to make changes. So I can change the color of the text, for example, to dark green, put the font in bold and italic, but as well I can use scalings or the number format that is displayed as well. So if this number is actually an accounting or a financial number or percentage, I can now choose to have the format correctly according to the data as well. The scaling factor can be changed as well, but this was already available. Now let's click on, for example, the bar chart themselves. If I want my segment to have a specific color, I can select the color myself. I can add my data labels, and now I have some formatting options for the data labels as well. So the position, whether it should be outside at the end, the color, or the size, if it should be bigger and get some more attention, color changed. And again, the format source can here be changed as well if this is indeed the accounting mode again. So I have the official numbers right next to the bar graphs. Changing the color of one of the bars is possible as well. If I further narrow down and click on a single bar, I can change the color to be representative if I'm using a specific logic behind. So each of the bars can now be changed individually to pull out the attention to some of them or put others to the background. So any of the elements that you see are now clickable and can be changed through or via the style guide available on the right side. The other new functionality is the smart cleaning in Google Sheets, which was only announced a couple of days ago. So I can't yet show it to you. So therefore, you might join our webinar on October 9th to have a view on the smart cleanup functionalities. So Smart Cleanup will have cleanup suggestions, meaning that before working with your data, you need to make sure the data is clean. And so the new functionality will help you clean your data. For example, if you see on the animation right here, United States will be maybe the same as USA or US, and the same for United Kingdom. So the cleanup suggestions will help you clean up your data. And a second functionality of the Smart Cleanup is that by selecting one column with the Explore functionality, you had already some advanced analytics of your data, but this goes now further. You have default column stats, so providing you the summary, the average, the lowest level, the highest level, a specific graph about the column you select already upfront. Just by clicking the column, you have already some analysis about your data before moving on with your further or more advanced analysis. So the cleanup functionality both contains column stats to have already a look at your data and to find maybe errors in your data, and the most important one is the cleanup suggestions, which will help you cleaning up your data or easing the work up, which would normally be manual. So I'm looking forward to use this actually in production or for my own sheets. Let's let me know what you think, or when you have questions. Let me know what you think about the cleanup functionality, or let me know when you have questions as well. Bye.